Hey guys, and welcome to another video from Boston Cars and Raspberry Pi and computer stuff. Back here again, and today in this video, I've got my Raspberry Pi Zero 2 with some accessories on it. As you can see, I've got a heatsink and some GPIO headers, and you can speak loudly so that the music, you can't hear it. And basically, if you can see, first time soldering, not so it went like that. I didn't exactly solder. And you have a heatsink, £1. These are £2 for 5 of these headers. These are what they look like from the package. Also got mini HDMI, 2 HDMI. It's like these plastic protectors on them. I also got lead-free solder, 2 meters, and that's what it looks like. It's tiny, right? These are the GPIO pins inside the anti-static bag. I also got this magnifying glass, and this cost, by the way, this cable cost £2.50, I'm pretty sure. This magnifying glass. This magnifying glass costs like This magnifying glass costs about £5.90 or something like that. But anyway, this is for basically when you have that on here, and then you get your electronic components like this. So let's say I've got a circuit board. Like let's say this one. This is like a circuit board. And you clip it onto here like this, and then you can see onto it. Can you see it? Yeah. You get what I mean now. And I also got something that's really interesting to me that you can program with Raspberry Pi. That's why I got lead-free solder and the GPIO headers, because I wanted to program. I don't even know how to program. I don't even want to program. Anyway, I got these jumper kits. So I got a kit from CamJam, EduKit, and these cost £5. And they collaborated with Pi Hut to make this. So like, if it wasn't for Pi Hut, I would be paying like £10. For some jumper cables, I included this like instruction manual kind of thing that tells you what you get in the kit and where to download stuff. You also get a 4.7K OHM or whatever you can't pronounce OHM or OHM transistor. It's like that. Also you get 3 times 370 OHM transistors. Also get a mini breadboard like this. These cost about £2.99. Also you get a push button that you can use on the breadboard. And you get 3 different LEDs. Like this. Those. See them right? And lastly, you got a magnetic buzzer, which has a magnet with a coil of copper coil wire inside, and this is breadboard friendly too. So that's all for my video. Thanks for watching. Hope you liked it, and please like and subscribe. Get me to a lot of subscribers, and bye.